I know. They don't want.
What up, it's DJ J Rona, all elements general, Brooklyn, New York, always in the building, you know what the fuck it is, man, all elements, all day.
Yo, what up, it's your boy Hip Hop Mike out here, we at Avendita, some shit like that, I don't know, I just know I'm here to fuck up some tacos, Frank Knight here to fuck up the stage, dropping that video today, you know, High 97, Hip Hop Mike, we in the building.
Where's dark and cold with no glow, we're scamming niggas on the road, and scamming bitches with the soul, moving in the answer with that money grand flow, checking next paper chase, what's in you, ya hoe? Why they chirp on the phone? Straight cold when it's work on the phone. Niggas still down to lurk in your home like a prostitute. Yo, what's the worth on your dome? The right price on your head to make your toe tag go away. Y'all niggas don't know that. Many lean, sipping pill popping niggas come from a spot where they motherfucking mother smoke crack. You ignorant to moving nickel, son, you don't know jack. Drugs was an outlet to numb other blowback. I was 15 trying to make the dough stack. Script that my change on me so crack. Then my man came to me like, no, that strip ain't a place where I wanna go back. Cause being responsible for making a soul crack from soul crack, a young nigga conscious can't hold that. But others in the gutter had to stay with it. The pain in their life, they engraved with it. Your environment to make you behave different. And now that's no excuse to be okay with it. But empathy, nigga. Vent with me, pimpin'. Limp with me, kill who sit for me. I know, they don't want my glove. I know, they don't want my glove.